Hello, dear friend. This is the Phone Support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to deactivate your Instagram account. To do this, you go to your Instagram profile. Go into the app. Once you're in your profile, you click on the profile button. After that, you click on the three bars in the top corner of the screen and click on Settings and Privacy. If you use deactivation, your account will be temporarily deleted and you will be free to restore it after a while. Now in this window, we click on Search and write Delete, and here appears this item, Deactivation or Deletion. Click on it. Now you select the profile that you want to deactivate. To deactivate an account, I select that one. But if we want to delete, we choose the second one, but I click on the first one. We click Continue. Now you need to write your Instagram account password and click Continue. Next, we need to choose the reason why we decided to deactivate our account. You can choose absolutely love the reason. It does not play a big role. Then we click Continue, and once again we click, and after that we have to choose Deactivate it. As soon as we click on this button, your account is deactivated. Your account will disappear from all your friends and subscribers, and no one will be able to find and view it. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Also click on the bell. This was the Phone Support channel. Bye bye.